Hey everybody, J&A Review, and today we're at Bish's RV right here in Calera, Alabama. Now we're here for their grand opening. So they gave us the go ahead to record a few of these units, so we're going to take a look at this 2025 Alliance Delta Ultra Lite, model number 234RK. So let's get started. The length on this Delta Ultra Lite is 27 feet 11 inches. The dry weight is 5,600 pounds with a hitch weight of 616 with a GVWR of 7,450. This is our first time to get to finally see some Alliance.
It is, and it is the first time we've brought you guys a Delta, so we're excited about this.
And we want to thank everybody at Bish RV for allowing us to be here.
Absolutely, especially since this is their grand opening day. Right up front, you're going to have a power jack here. Your propane bottles are going to go under that cover, and of course your batteries will mount right down there. Now let's look here at your pass-through storage. You see that you do have some access panels in there to get to your inner workings.
Look at there, here's your water pump, there's your slide out control.
Spray port, battery disconnect, very nice pass-through. This is going to have manual stabilizers on it. And your outlet is down here and your pulls are right next to it. This is going to have a rack and pinion slide on it. This is an ultralight version.
Excuse me.
You do have another dump area right back here.
.30 amp unit.
Looking at the back, you're going to have a place that you can put what am I trying to say? A rack at the back, not for towing.
Look at here, you got a spray port.
Yes. And now Alliance gives you these absolutely wonderful ladders to access your roof, really nice and sturdy. And of course these are going to be prepped for a backup camera.
Tankless heater.
Right there. I'm not sure if we know the awning size.
I did not see that. I did not write it down.
I don't know, but it's very long.
Well, it looks like about 18 to 20 foot.
Exactly. It is going to cover the majority of your campsite. Let's take a quick look.
Hey guys, how are you? Hey, all right.
There is the other side of your pass-through storage. Very well done. And another spray port over here. So you see this is going to have 2 entries. So let's go inside and take a look.
Oh man, we are excited to be here on this grand opening weekend.
Yes. Tell you what, coming in, look, you've got a little shoe place right there. There are no vents in the floor in this, so you're not going to have anywhere for the dog hair to accumulate.
Wow.
Quick look. No, we don't have power today, so I think this is going to show up well enough though, because it's pretty light in here. This is a rear kitchen model.
I like this.
As you can see, it's going to have cabinets across the back. Very nice with this extra shelf up there. These are going to be soft close.
Ooh, yes they are.
Have a microwave right up there.
Look at that.
And then down here across the bottom, got a nice storage there. They've got your garbage can already sitting in there for you. Good space under the sink. And then you're going to have 3 drawers.
Oh wow.
Here, and this one has got the silverware drawer that slides out of the way.
I like that.
Love that. Now, the Delta does not have solid surface countertops, but you do have a nice big single basin sink with a pull-down faucet. I think I already hit on the microwave, but yes, you got a microwave right up there. 3-burner cooktop with an oven.
Yes.
And then you're going to have this nice pots and pans drawer down here, and that's your microwave turntable sitting in there.
Wow. That's a big drawer too.
It is. Now, over here in the slide, you're going to have your 12-volt compressor fridge. And something that's really cool about this, they even put you a little note down here. This is a flush floor slide,
yes,
so it doesn't have a step up. Got a nice big sofa in here. There.
Sorry.
With cup holders. Your windows are going to open all the way around this. You do have lighting up here. Blackout shades, which we don't need today because we need the light. You're also going to have a dinette in this one.
Huge dinette.
Yeah, got storage on both sides underneath it. Now, of course, like all dinettes, this will make additional sleeping if you need it. Yeah, and there's not a leg under there, so you won't have bruises all over your knees at the end of the weekend. Up here, you've got a nice big TV. This looks like a 40-inch, I think.
Oh, well, let's find out.
Let's just see.
It is a 40. Wow.
And of course, there's going to be storage on both sides of it.
Yes.
Really, really nice.
Now, I don't know if you showed it. Oh, your
Yeah.
panel and everything.
And I like that they mounted
Control
it up
panel.
high.
Yes.
So, yeah, up out of the way.
And it looks like it's got dimmable features too for the
wow.
lights.
There is one of your AC units right up there.
Oh my!
And then you've got this pantry, and this is, I'm just going to tell you, it's pretty impressive. Now, your fuses are at the bottom, but you've got all of these pull-out drawers.
My! I mean, like this.
Nice, deep, so you can actually access the back of this pantry.
Wow.
Very well done. Okay, now this particular unit is going to have a pass-through bathroom. Now, this is another one of those things. Some people love them, some people hate them. We have a pass-through bathroom. We love it. It works wonderful for us.
This is good.
Yeah, for years we've been telling everybody Jeremy's 6 feet tall, so this is how much headroom he's got in here. Nice big shower. This looks like a 32 by 36.
It's 30 by 36.
30 by 36.
It's just like what we have.
I was only off by 2 inches. You have got a foot flush toilet here. Now, unfortunately, this one's going to be plastic. So, no plunger for this one. But, let me step up here in this shower so you can see this. Now, this vanity area is amazing, and I want to tell you, I'm jealous of it because our vanity is in this same area, but it is not set up this well.
Look at all that.
Great storage under there.
And then you've got the little drawers.
Yeah.
Wow.
And then you've got the medicine cabinet up front, and hi, see, I'm in the shower. Big old medicine cabinet, and then you got some open storage over here.
Yeah.
So, now they got a little sticker on there that says it's an extra large stainless steel sink. So, really great size. Again, not solid surface in here, but great counter space.
If it had a...
Yeah, if this had a porcelain toilet, it would get the award today.
Yes.
Again, we don't have lights, so the bedroom may look a little dark, but this is going to have a queen size north-south bed. You've got great storage up here, and you're going to have the same storage on both sides. So you can use the shelf, or you can remove the shelf and have hanging, and that's going to be the same on both sides. I love that they give you a plug-in and USB, and you got a plug-in and USB over here, and a light switch for your overhead lights. And then in your nightstand,
you
have a drawer.
I like that too.
And that's also on both sides. Now this, let's see, 30-amp camper, so it's not going to be prepped for a second AC.
Under the bed.
You have storage under there with a slider. That is just great. And you actually have, pretty good floor space.
It's not bad at all. I like this.
Now, this does have your second entry, and it does have solid steps. So that means when you get to your campsite, if you leave the steps up, it's going to take up some of your space in here, so you just have to kind of keep that in mind. Yes, right over here, if you want to add a TV, it'll go right up there. I do love that they give you, a door for privacy, light switch in here.
Heat vents are not in the floor.
Correct.
I wanted to point that out. Wow. All right, everybody. Tell us what you think about this Alliance Delta Ultra Lite, and the dealership's information be down in our description. And like always, if you just found our channel, go ahead and subscribe, follow along with us, and give us that thumbs up. Thanks, everybody.